Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is De'Belle Makeovers. If you are just stopping by for the first time, you are very welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Today's tutorial is for people that have oily skin on how you can get long-lasting makeup on your oily skin. So I'm going to be sharing some tips on how you can make your makeup last long even if you have oily skin. If you find this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. So I'm going to start with the brows and the eyes first, and I have detailed eyebrow tutorials on my channel already, so I'm not going to be talking about the eyebrows or the eyeshadow. Just to watch, and if you would like to see the detailed tutorial, the link will be in the description box. All the products I used in this video will also be listed in the description box, so you can check them out.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
Now we are done with the eyes. I'm now going to go into my micellar cleansing water to clean her face and remove every oil or dirt or eyeshadow fallout on her skin. The next product I'm going to be using is this Msmetics Powerseal sweat and oil tonic. It's a mattifying toner. A popular alternative is the Miron skin prep toner. This would mattify your skin. For people that have oily skin, you can incorporate it after your skincare, but I like to do it before. So once I apply this all over the face with a cotton pad, I let it sit and dry properly. Then I go into my skincare. By skincare, I mean moisturizer and every other thing that you can intend to use. So I'm using this moisture bomb from Msmetics as well. This is a moisturizer, and this moisturizer is oil free. So for oily skin, you want products that will hydrate your face, but at the same time they will not add more oil to what you have. Now I'm done moisturizing. I'm using a primer, and I'm using this mattifying primer from Porefessional primer. This they have the hydrating one, this is a mattifying one, and this doesn't just mattify, it also helps to fill in your pores. For people that have large and open pores, you know, it fills it in and gives you like a smoother finish while mattifying the face at the same time. Next thing, I'm going into this Msmetics Aqua Grip Primer. So this is like a gripping primer. It holds your makeup, like it's not, it has a matte finish and a satin finish, yes, but this is a matte finish because I'm working with someone with oily skin. But even the matte finish is not drying, but it helps to grip your makeup such that your makeup does not move, even, you know, in under the heat and all that. I'm also going to use a mattifying foundation. So I'm using Hudabeauty foundation in Mocha. This is a matte foundation. It's matte, it does not mean that it's squeezing and drying your face up. It just means that it's not adding additional oil to what you have on your face or to what your face will later produce. So I'm blending it in now, and basically every other product that I'm going to be using, they are not going to be oily products. That is what you want to avoid when you are working with someone that has oily skin. You want the skin to still look healthy, so you want to use products that are hydrating, but you don't want products that will squeeze the skin and make your makeup look cakey. You have to avoid using too much creamy products. I'm using this cream blush, it's not oily, Phoera cream blush, and I'm using a very little amount, and that's all I'm using both for my contour and for my blush. I'm not doing too much. Then I used the Zaron Concealer. This Zaron Concealer also has a velvet matte finish. It's not oily and it's not too drying. So I'm going to apply it all over all the areas I need to highlight: the forehead, you know, the chin, under the eyes, and I'm going to blend it in. Please note that for every mattifying product you are using, you should avoid under the eyes. The under the eyes is a very delicate area. The skin around there is thin, and any little thing you apply there has maximum effect. So if you're applying anything mattifying, the mattifying toner that I used initially, the mattifying primer, whatever it is that you are using that is mattifying, avoid the under eye, because it's going to really squeeze out underneath your eyes. So now I'm setting with a mineral powder. That powder is not matte, because I don't want underneath the eyes to be looking too dry. I still want it to be looking fresh. Now I went in with a setting powder. This is by Yanga Beauty in the shade Custard. So this powder is oil absorbing, but at the same time is not drying. There are some powders that immediately you put it on your face, it just squeezes the face immediately. This powder is not like that. Now I'm contouring, setting the contour that I did with the cream blush, and I'm also contouring the nose, and then I'm going to go in with a powder blush and basically just finish the rest of the makeup. So this is how I achieve a matte finish for someone that has an oily skin. The only step I didn't show in this video, I didn't record it, was the setting spray. So the setting spray that you use also matters. You have to avoid using dewy setting sprays. Now, because you are not using a dewy setting spray, does not necessarily mean that the setting spray you use must have matte written all over it. No, it has to be a hydrating one. Your skin needs moisture, whether you have oily skin, whether you have dry skin, combination skin, any kind of skin, your skin needs moisture, your skin needs hydration. So you need to find setting sprays that will hydrate your skin without necessarily turning your makeup dewy or adding a lot of extra oils that you don't need to it. So that is what you can do at the end. So when you use a setting spray that hydrates your face, it melts the whole makeup together. It gives your makeup this skin like finish without unnecessary shine, and that is what we're able to achieve at the end of this video. Yes, so there's a bonus tip, but I'll be sharing that at the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video till the very end so you don't miss that tip. Trust me, it's also a game changer.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
Now I'm gently dusting off the setting powder underneath her eyes. Setting powders usually have this nice blurring effect that makes the makeup look so flawless on oily and textured skin especially. Now if you want to maintain that smoothness, you have to go easy on your glow products. That's the last tip I was talking about. Once you apply glow highlighter, whatever you call it, on someone that has oily skin, that has textured or open pores, it will immediately make those pores obvious again. It will immediately make that texture more obvious. So you have to go light-handed with any glow product you are using. Just keep it on the high points of the face alone. Make it as minimal as possible so that you can still retain the smoothness and the mattness of the face. And eventually it's so easy for glow to turn to excess shine on someone that has oily face, so you have to go easy with it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, or if you have something else to add, to contribute, maybe you feel I missed out something, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I will see you in my next video. Bye.